Namaste. We are Team Abhimanyu and we are proud to present our project Pravah X, an innovation built under the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant science and sustainability.
Every year after harvest, farmers across India burn crop residue or parali to clear their fields. This simple act fills the skies with smoke, pollutes the air, and harms both people and the planet. But what if that same smoke could light up homes instead of choking them?
That's the question that sparked our idea to turn pollution into power and make every village self sufficient.
Each year, millions of tons of parali are burnt in open fields, releasing gases like carbon dioxide and methane. It not only worsens air quality but also wastes an enormous amount of heat energy that just disappears into the air.
Our solution is a community based biomass power system that transforms this agriculture waste into clean, usable electricity. Instead of burning parali in the fields, farmers bring it to a common Pravah X unit in the village. Here, the residue is burned under controlled conditions and the captured heat drives steam turbines that generate power.
Here's how Pravah X actually works. Farmers first collect and deposit the parali at the unit. It's then fed into a sealed combustion chamber where it burns safely with a controlled oxygen supply. The heat produced boils water inside a boiler system, creating high pressure steam. This steam spins a micro turbine which powers a generator to produce electricity. Before any gas is released, the smoke passes through lime scrubbers and carbon filters, which trap most of the dust and harmful gases.
And the best part, the leftover ash is processed into biochar, a natural fertilizer that restores the soil, so the same parali that once polluted the air now lights homes, powers pumps, and enriches the land.
A single Pravah X unit can process nearly 1,000 tons of crop waste every year and generate close to 1 million units of electricity, which is enough to power around 400 village homes. It cuts carbon emissions by over 60%, creates local employment, and gives farmer an extra source of income for the crop residue.
For us, Pravah X is more than just a model. It's a movement towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, made with local resources, maintained by local hands, and built for local needs. It's the true flow of self-reliance.
Our dream is simple, a future where no smoke rises from burning fields, but light glows in every home.
Through Pravah X, we are turning waste into words and pollution into progress.
We are Team Abhimanyu.
And this is our vision.
Let the flow of change begin. Let